Hello students, welcome to the online classes of high school English. Students, today I am going to start English poetry, poem 2, The Psalm of Life, composed by Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. H.W. Longfellow. He was an American poet and educator, and he was also the first American to translate Dante's. Dante is a writer also. Dante's famous work, Divine Comedy, and he was the first American very popular poet of New England. New England meaning America. And he was born on 27 February 1807 at Portland, and he died on 24th March 1882. His famous works, Paul Revere's Ride, The Song of Hiawatha, and Evangeline. He was a great poet of America, and he was called the fireside poet also. This poem was composed when his wife died, and he was in depression. So I think that he composed this poem to encourage himself, and through this poem the poet wants to give us a message, and the message is hope and encouragement. We should hope in our life, and we should be encouraged by this poem. The Psalm of Life. The Psalm of Life meaning the song of life, devotional song of life. There are 9 stanzas in this poem, and the rhyming scheme AB, AB. Rhyming words, first line, the last word of first line has the similar sound of the last word of third line, and the second line, last word, has the similar sound of the last word of fourth line. And in this poem, the poet says that life is a reality, not a dream. While everybody says that life is nothing, life is only a show, only a dull thing and empty thing, but the writer says that life is not empty vessel, it is very useful if we are active in our life. There may be so many difficulties, so many problems in our life, but we should face all the difficulties with courage. And every stanza has 4 lines. First of all, I recite the poem, and you should also recite the poem silently, and then I will explain the poem in Hindi and English, in both languages, for the audience. For the major number of the audience are from UP board, so I have to use mother tongue also to explain the poem. There will be one passage, one stanza given in the exam, and there will be 2 questions, and these are comprehension questions from the poem, and the central idea or the 4 lines of the poem. There will be 3 marks for this. So in all you will get 7 marks from the poem, So it is very important to get good marks, and you will get enjoyment also to recite the poem, and it gives us message also. So I am going to start reading the text, and open your books, or I will paste the lines on the board also. First stanza. Tell me not in mournful numbers, life is but an empty dream, for the soul is dead that slumbers, and things are not what they seem. Tell me not, मुझे मत बताओ, in mournful numbers in sad songs, मुझे दुख भरे गीतों के माध्यम से ये मत बताओ, life is but an empty dream, जीवन एक empty, खाली, useless dream, सपने की तरह है. According to writer, the life is not empty dream, it is not unreal, but according to writer, according to poet, the life is full of energy and it is a real thing. For the soul is dead that slumbers. If it means soul is dead, अगर